Welcome to Baalanandam YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain the textbook activities and grammar part of the recipe book, 3rd class English. This is SURYAPRAKASH and this video is created for teachers and parents as a resource. Please subscribe to Baalanandam YouTube channel. Activity 2. Answer the following questions. First one. Who was the owner of the small hotel? Answer. Raju was the owner of the small hotel. Second question. Why did people like the food in the hotel? Answer. People liked the food in his hotel because the food was very tasty. Next, third question. What order did Raju get one day? Answer. One day, Raju got a big order to cook dinner for a party. Next, fourth question. Who helped Raju to cook food for the big party? Answer. The recipe book and its friends, the pot, mixer and a knife helped Raju to cook food for the big party. Next, fifth one. Do you help your parents in the kitchen? Answer. Yes, I help my parents in the kitchen. Next, activity 3. Look at the word grid given below. Identify the things we use in a kitchen. Circle the words. One is done for you. Ladle, knife, tumbler, plate, funnel. Next, activity 4. Write the plural forms of the following words. Bed, beds. Mixer, mixers. Stove, stoves. Ladle, ladles. Ball, balls. Next, bag, bags. Bowl, bowls. Tablespoon, tablespoons. Plate, plates. Peeler, peelers. Next, grammar. Activity 5. Now circle the personal pronouns in the following sentences. First one. Rambabu is a farmer. He is very kind. Here he is the personal pronoun. Next, Sarita is a singer. She sings well. Here she is the personal pronoun. Third one. Srinu has a puppy. It is cute. Here it is the personal pronoun. Next, fourth one. I am Rajarao. I live in a village. Here I and I are personal pronouns. Fifth one. Haribabu is a teacher. Harita is a teacher. She works in primary school. Here she is the personal pronoun. Next, Lata is talking about her family. Read what she is talking about them. Circle the pronouns in the following sentences. Here I, he, she, it are the personal pronouns. Next, activity 6. Now read the following sentences and rewrite them using full stop wherever necessary. First one. The recipe book saw this. The recipe book saw this. Full stop. Second one. Immediately he talked to his friends. Immediately he talked to his friends. Full stop. Next, I am in class 3. I am in class 3. Full stop. Next, I go to school regularly. I go to school regularly. Full stop. Next, I have many friends. I have many friends. Full stop. Next, activity 7. Role play. Raju got an order to cook for a big dinner party over a phone call. Develop a role play between the customer and Raju with the help of the clues given. Raju. Hello. Customer. Hello, is it Raju? Raju. Yes, Raju speaking. Customer. Can you take an order for a birthday party? Raju. Yes. Can you tell me the date? Next, customer. for the next Sunday. Raju, yeah, sure. How many plates are required for the dinner? Customer, 500 plates. Raju, okay, come in the evening, please pay the advance. Customer, okay, thank you. Raju, you are welcome. Next, let us listen and respond. Here, the preparation of omelette steps are given. Now we have to read these and answer activity 8. Now answer the following questions. Activity 8. First one, what is added to the eggs for flavor? Answer B, salt and pepper. Second question, what is used to cook the omelette? Answer C, oil, butter. Third one, what is done after pouring the egg mixture into the pan? Next, fourth one, how is the omelette cooked on the other side? Answer C, by flipping and cooking. Fifth one, what is the name of the recipe? Omelette preparation. Next, name a few things that are round in shape. Can you eat all of them? Write them in the correct column. That can be eaten, that cannot be eaten. That can be eaten in the round size, round shape. Laddu, orange, apple, guava. And that cannot be eaten, ball, marble, etc. Next, match the food item with its taste. First one, laddu, C, sweet. Second one, mirchi, A, spicy. Third one, lemon, D, sour. Bitter gourd, B, bitter. Radish, A, acrid. Next, salt is salty. Next, let us explore. Look at the objects, collect and put them one by one into a tub of water. See which one will float and which one will sink. Tick, write the object that floats and cross the object that sinks. A piece of paper. It should be floated. Next, a pencil. Wrong mark. An eraser. Wrong mark. A feather. Right. And a spoon. Wrong. Next, let us practice the recipe book. First one, which tool is used to remove the skin of a potato? Answer B, peeler. Second one, write a word from the text that rhymes with light. Quiet. Third one, change these singular words into their plural forms. Box, boxes, dish, dishes. Fourth one, match the tool to its correct action. Knife, B, cut. Ladle, D. Sir, mixer, grind. Peeler, peel. Next, fifth one, create one full sentence for each of these kitchen tools describing what we do with them. Stove, pot, mixer, knife. Answer, stove. We use a stove to cook food. Pot. We use a pot to boil or cook food. Mixer. We use mixer to grind. Knife. We use a knife to cut vegetables and fruits. Next, sixth one. Rani is my sister. Dash likes to play chess. Select the correct pronoun to fill in the blanks. Answer C, she likes. Next, which punctuation mark should be end this sentence? Full stop. The dog is barking, full stop. Next, in the sentence Raju bought a new mixer, it worked very fast. Which part of speech does the word it refers? It is pronoun. Next, Check the sentences below. Rewrite the one that written correctly. Next, 11th one. Who offered to grind the spices and chutney for Raju in the story? Answer B, the mixer. Next, 12th one. Explain why the recipe book decided to help Raju instead of ignoring him. Next, if the mixer had stopped working, which specific part of cooking would have been impossible to finish? Explain your answer. Answer, the grinding of ingredients would have been impossible to finish because the mixer was needed to grind them quickly. Next, the utensils helped Raju because he was unwell. Do you think it is important to help family members when they are sick? Write a paragraph giving your opinion. Yes, it is important to help sick family members. We should care for them and support them. Helping them shows love and kindness. Next, 15th question. Which sentence correctly describes the picture of Swati in the kitchen? Answer B, she is working in the kitchen. 16th one. Complete the dialogue. Mother says, I am sick. Father says, don't worry, I will take care of you. Next, 17th one. Compose any two sentences describing your favorite food. My favorite food is dosa. It is very tasty and crispy. Next, compare your kitchen with the one in the textbook picture. Name two things that are different and write their uses. First one, refrigerator. It is used to store food. Second one, pressure cooker. It is used to cook food quickly. Next, develop a conversation between the mixer and the pot, discussing how they will cook a meal for Raju. Mixer, hello pot, Raju is sick. Pot, don't worry, I will cook the rice. Mixer, I will grind the ingredients. Pot, let us help Raju together. Thank you for. Next, if all the children. Yes, poem. The big laddu. What objects falls into the sea to cause the big splash? The big laddu. Next, if all the children were one child, what is the poet imagining? Answer C, one giant child made by combining every child in the world. Thank you for watching.